That's not what I thought.
Well, so you're like, where's the explosion?
Yeah.
I want the explosion.
I mean, it makes more sense, but yeah.
Hollywood. It's not quite as exciting as Hollywood.
Not as
apparently.
exciting as Hollywood, but maybe that's for the best for everyone, for the entire planet Earth.
Oh boy. Look at that shot. Where's that? Obviously
beautiful.
Seattle. It says right there.
Right out
but
over the sound. I think that's the edge of West Seattle
yeah.
there on the
Sure it
left.
is.
Yeah.
Yes,
Pretty looking
gorgeous
shot. See, there was sun out there today. Not a whole lot of it, but
just for a few minutes in the last
than
hour. In fact, yeah, we'll take it, what we can get, because now it's just clouds, and I think the clouds are going to pretty much stick with us here for a longer stretch. But at least we're drying out, and we're going to get dry weather for another day. Everybody's making travel plans. Yeah, and then it's true. And then we do have 3 atmospheric rivers that are lining up. They are not back to back. They're spaced apart, and not any certain atmospheric river is stronger than the other. They're all 3 relatively normal and not dumping excessive amounts of rainfall. Just to let you know, though, we are going to be watching these closely because we are expecting some rivers to potentially start to rise as we get through our Thursday, Friday. So right now, Stevens Pass, this has been our focus here today as the mountain passes because we had so much snow this morning. We had a winter weather advisory in effect for a number of areas across the Cascades, but now it's shrunk down to primarily Stevens Pass, and Snoqualmie Pass is included just in case. The snow levels hovering between 2,500 and 3,000 feet, and you can see these showers on the Doppler radar. They're pretty much tapering off a little bit off to the east. We're going to continue to see some snow showers here. A winter weather advisory impacting us until 6 o'clock tonight. That'll be the safest bet for heading over the pass because we're seeing still some snow in that convergence zone over Highway 2 and over Stevens Pass. Of course, some slick areas on the roads. Traction tires are currently advised for Stevens Pass. And Snoqualmie, it is just rain. The roads are wet. If you're heading over to Hyack on the east side of the Cascades, it's pretty much just sloppy, wet roads for the most part. Now, this is going to get even more wet as we head into our Thursday, Friday. But right now, we're just looking around for the leftover showers and nothing really to be seen around Granite Falls, but you sure were stuck in the clouds most of the day. At La Push, we had the sun set and it gave us a pretty light, but the clouds are fairly dark and hanging over the coast, similar to what we've got at King 5 Rooftop, where it's mostly cloudy, 48 degrees right now. Wind currently out of the south-southwest, 10 miles an hour, so relatively light wind, but something we're going to add in on our Thursday, Thanksgiving, some breezy wind. Of course, it's going to rain and we're going to get some breezy wind, but tonight we're going to enjoy drying out. Temperatures are going to drop down in the mid to upper 30s. Our sunrise comes at 7:27 in the morning, and here's the lows for tomorrow. We'll start out with plenty of cloud cover around. A few spots may have some clearing for a little patchy frost here and there, but overall we're looking for mid 30s to be the general areas of cool air in place. So water vapor satellite. Last time I looked at this and wanted to show it to you is when we had an atmospheric river. So I wanted to show you again where we have a lot of moisture lifting up over the Pacific. This is the next warm front that's headed our way for late tomorrow night. And so it's going to start in the rainforest to get the Wednesday night commute going. And then we're going to see that rain picking up and increasing through the day on Thursday. So here's our dry break on satellite. You can see there's no clouds just offshore, but certainly a lot of clouds are going to be rolling in for the day tomorrow with the next incoming warm front. Warm, lots of warm air coming in. That means snow levels going up. 7,000 feet snow levels as we get into our Thursday. That means it's going to be rain in the mountains, and we'll be watching closely where the heaviest rain falls. When it comes to rain showers, we're just going to get a few of them tapering off tonight. But 9 o'clock tomorrow, we'll have some rain on the coast. It's going to be lighter rain. Seattle northward, we're getting some of that light rain going tomorrow night into the overnight hours by about midnight. So here's what we have for Thanksgiving Thursday. An increase of light rain for the morning, increasing winds. There'll be blustery around Seattle area. There'll be about 10 to 20 miles an hour, but the stronger gusts, 30 to 40 miles an hour, will be mainly in the northern waterways and out in the coast. How much rain will fall on Thanksgiving? Well, the main focus is Olympics and the North Cascades, and Mount Vernon is looking for about an inch of rain. So we're not concerned about any river flooding at this point, but we certainly know that we're going to see the rivers starting to rise, especially for the Cascades. So for the mountains tomorrow, cloudy skies, just a chance of a shower. Expect a lot of clouds and pass highs in the low to mid 30s. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies with rain coming in late, so tomorrow's a good dry break. get everything done that you need to prepare for the holiday, because that's when the rain moves in and stays with us as we get into our Thursday night increasing rain, and it'll still be pretty gusty too. Friday, Apple Cup, just some rain showers out there, and we're going to have some dry breaks in between the showers, but dress warmly. Even though the high goes up into the low 50s, we're still going to feel a little cool with those clouds around. And then the next atmospheric river comes in Saturday, tapers off on Sunday, and then we'll have another round of rainfall coming in on Monday.